welcome to mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien, the head instructor with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day. What does CIT's financial troubles really mean? Now, you may or may not be familiar with the company CIT, which may be filing for bankruptcy or require government assistance, just like some of the other financial services companies that require TARP assistance over the next couple of months. And I think it's really important to take a look at this if you haven't already, because of the fact that it's an example of another link that's been broken between Wall Street and Main Street. In light of the fact that CIT provides a lot of loans to small and mid-sized companies. Now, some of these loans to small and mid-sized companies may no longer be available because of their financial troubles at CIT.
I have some great links for you on the written blog, so make certain that you check that out at www.mywealth.com/blog. Okay, so what are some of the other links between Main Street and Wall Street that have been broken? Now, obviously, the residential mortgages, which has really been at the forefront of this economic disaster, has been a huge problem. But there's also been a huge disconnect with credit cards. There's been historical defaults piling up and a possible default rate of nearly 25% by the end of this year, 2009. Now, CIT is different in many ways in the sense that it helps create jobs by lending to small businesses. And small businesses create about 70% of the jobs out there. This is obviously a real concern. And there's a feedback loop. The biggest driver of credit card defaults has been people losing their jobs. And when their employers, the small businesses, are defaulting on their loans or are not able to acquire credit, this creates a real problem. So, it really leaves you to believe that we're still a long way off from the credit crisis being over. Things have gotten better, but this is just another sign of the challenging times that are still ahead. Make certain that you're positioning your investments and finances properly. Don't wait. Get into one of our investment courses. Get educated. Get to www.mywealth.com.
In the end, the government will probably have no choice but to bail out CIT. If for no other reason, just because of the fact that letting it fail would be like cutting off their nose to spite their face. That the problems that it would create may multiply, and they may be probably going to be better off just saving it. But it's another indication of how fundamentally flawed the financial sector is at this point in time. Now, we may see financials rally again. In fact, there might be that cycle of financials and techs rallying together at the same time, which drives oil back up. So we may see that cycle again. But it's another indication of how we're not through this credit crunch yet. So make certain that you're prepared in your asset allocation, your investments. Check out our very affordable courses so you can make certain that you're positioning your assets properly.